In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label your emails automatically in Gmail, a feature that can greatly enhance your email management efficiency. By understanding and using this feature, you can organize your inbox effortlessly, ensuring that important messages are never missed and your communication stays organized and decluttered. First, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. This is a crucial step since the labeling function is seamlessly integrated into your Gmail settings. With your inbox open, locate the settings icon in the upper right corner. It resembles a gear. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select See All Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate over to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab, which is nestled among several others at the top. This section is where you'll create rules to automatically label emails as they arrive. Look for the option that says Create a New Filter and give it a click. A new box will pop up offering various criteria for your filter. Now, think about which emails you want to label. You can base your filter on sender addresses, subject lines, keywords, or even specific words that appear in the email body. Enter your chosen details into the respective fields. For example, if you want to label emails from a specific sender, add their email address in the From field. Once you've set your criteria, hit the Create Filter button located at the bottom of the box. The next page presents you with several actions to choose from once your criteria are triggered. For labeling, make sure to tick the Apply the Label option. This will open a list of existing labels. Choose an existing label that fits your needs, or if you prefer, create a new label by selecting the New Label button. Once your label is selected or created, it's wise to explore additional actions on this screen. One helpful option is Skip the Inbox, which archives the email after labeling to maintain an uncluttered inbox. Another is Mark as Important for crucial emails. Once satisfied with your filter options, click on Create Filter, finalizing your settings. At this point, Gmail will automatically organize incoming emails based on your customized rules. This system not only saves time, but allows you to focus on emails needing immediate attention. You'll find them easily because they have been neatly tagged and sorted into categories you've set, transforming your inbox into a manageable workspace. By following these steps, you'll find your email management significantly streamlined, letting you work smarter, not harder, with Gmail's automatic labeling system.